I'm very excited to announce that I just published my new mobile UX wireframe kit, which took over 6 months to make, and now it's available on the store. So quick overview of this kit. We have 5 main pages. The wireframe, in which you're going to see all the pre-built pages so that you can simply use them directly from here. Then we're having the components, in which you're going to see groups of pages, and in each page there's going to be all sorts of components based on a specific theme and category. So we're having, for example, the gallery items, the features components, the blog and textual components, and so on. And as a bonus, I also left some UX elements which can help you create further basic wireframes. And yeah, this is basically it for the components. The third page is the templates, and this is a collection of different themed templates which you can use to create entire flows. These are just ideas, but of course you can adapt all these to your specific project needs and flows. The fourth page, it's one of the most powerful features of this UI kit, and that is that the colors and textiles are completely interchangeable in just a few seconds, so you can adjust them in just a few seconds. So I'll make an example here. We're having in this UI kit the primary color, and if we change it for example to a red, and we can also change the borders and the outlines of the entire UI kit to a red, and if I select them and I click on the refresh button, automatically in the entire UI kit all these styles will change in just like 1 second. And this is really great because it enables you to make big adjustments in a very short amount of time. So I'm gonna undo that, and I'm excited to tell that also the textiles have the same feature. So all the textiles can be changed in a very short amount of time. You can simply select one or select multiple of them, and you can change the typeface and any feature. I'm going to do an example of the color. I'm just gonna grab this red and refresh it, and it's just taking a few seconds. But basically what is doing, it's updating the entire textiles of the whole UI kit. So all the textiles now are updated, and yeah, this allows you to make changes very quickly. So yeah, I'm really excited about this feature, and I'm sure that it will be very helpful for some of you. And the last page is the symbols, which are all grouped in different segments, and you can see here are the labels, and basically this is the entire symbols page, which ends with the icons. And of course all the symbols are grouped in different orders, and they are nicely grouped all together. And the last feature which I'm going to discuss about is the fact that all these components, or the vast majority of them, are resizable. So if you decide that you might need a component to be a little bit larger or smaller, you can simply click on the group and resize them accordingly. And yeah, this will basically allow you to make quick changes and quick adjustments in a very short amount of time. And again guys, this is a very big UI kit. There's over 300 components, there's over 140 screens, and It's full of assets that can allow you to create mobile dashboards and web apps in wireframes in a very short amount of time. This is the same UX kit which I use for my clients, and I mean, it allowed me to make tens of thousands of dollars worth of projects in a very short amount of time. So I hope this video was useful, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, or you can reach out to me at my website, which is peluigigio.com, and I'll be glad to help you. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.